Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel again, and for those who are first timer here in this channel, I encourage you to click the subscribe button, and then after subscribing, click also the small bell button for you to be notified every time that I upload videos here in this channel. So today, as you can see in the title down below, I will be doing the too much information tag. I guess si Stressy tagged me, yes. Kasi nag-comment ako sa video niya, and yun, sabi ko nagawa ko naman na siya before, but I realized my answer before dun sa TMI tag ko na yun is a lot different now sa isasagot ko ngayon. So, sobrang daming bago or sobrang daming ibang sagot sa mga katanungan. So, yun. And if you're following me in my vlogs, I have already linked my unlisted video kasi naka-private yun dati, but I made it into unlisted for you to know or to see the video. Kapag clinic nyo yung link, I will just put the link down below para makita nyo kung ano yung pagkakaiba ng TMI tag ko before sa ngayon. So, without any further ado, let's start this video. So, the number one question here is, what are you wearing? So, I'm just wearing my plain t-shirt na white and galing kasi akong hospital kaya itong outfit ko. And my palazzo pants na super comfortable, yes, like that. And yun, sabi ng sabi ng mga nurses namin, ano daw, pinatahi ko daw yung manong. Number 2, ever been in love? Yes. Ever had a terrible breakup? Yes, I do had before. So yun. But na-figure out naman na namin na ano, kung anong dapat gawin. So, we're good now. I'm good with my ex. How tall are you? 5'4". How much do you weigh? I weigh, this is a terrible question. I weigh 63 kilograms right now. So if you know how to compute my BMI, comparing to, together with my height, ayun, medyo malapit-lapit na ako sa overweight. So ayun guys. That's why I need to work out. Any tattoos? No, I don't have. Any piercings? No, I don't have kahit sa tenga ko. Kaya kung papansin nyo, wala akong jewelries. OTP, one true pairing, I guess. Sila, gusto ko dati Brangelini, kaya lang wala na, so I don't have any. Favorite show, I do have a favorite show, which is the Tiny House Nation in FYI channel. Favorite bands, gusto ko ang Silent Sanctuary kasi, ano sila, they incorporate yung cello sa kanilang band. Something you miss. I really miss traveling and walking sa beach kapag umaga. So yun. Favorite song. My all-time favorite song is the When God Made You. When God made you, must have been thinking about me. Charot! How old are you? I am 25. Zodiac sign. I am Leo before pero naglabas ang NASA ng bagong zodiac sign. So I am already Cancer. Quality you look for in a partner. Basta mahaba ang pasensya kasi sobrang kulit ko. Sobrang bad trip na ako kung minsan nakakabwisit gano'n. So, I really need you, Mac, to have a very long patience. Favorite quote? Bend your knees to reach high. Favorite actor? I don't really have a favorite actor. Favorite color? Black and white. Diyan na si Sister Sinan kasi yung swap namin, favorite color swap. Sabi ko, walang favorite color, black and white lang. So yun. Loud music or soft? I prefer soft. Where do you go when you're sad? When I'm sad, dito lang sa bed ko. Pero dati-rati talaga dun sa school ako. May spot ako dun na gustong-gusto ko dati dyan sa school namin. But now, I usually don't go there na kasi it reminds me of a lot of sadness na kasi dun nga ako lagi noon nung college ako. How long does it take you to shower? So, maybe kapag duty ako, mga 10 minutes. 10 minutes? 10 to 15 minutes. Pero kapag 30 minutes to 45 minutes kapag yung mga day off ko kasi dami kong scrub na nalalaman. How long does it take you to get ready in the morning? Kasi gumigising ako or bumabangon ako 6:30, so dapat 7. Tapos ko na lahat. Hindi na ako nakakapag-breakfast. So yun, yung 7 ko from paliligo hanggang yung 30 minutes hanggang sa pagbibihis and all the kaikikan sa mukha. Ever been in a physical fight? Yes, I did have a physical fight together with my sister. Turn on. Ito, hindi pa rin nagbabago yung mabango. Gusto ko ang mga mababango. Turn off. Ayoko nang mabaho, lalo na yung mga amoy snippets. The reason I joined YouTube, the first time that I did my video is, yun, naboboard lang ako, tas nahiligan kong mag-scrapbook before. Fears, ayoko talaga ng snake. Parang okay lang sa akin makikita ng snake, pero yung gumagano'n, parang feeling ko talaga na ano ako doon. Last thing that made you cry, yun, kasi palis na si Makay. Last time you said you loved someone, kanina lang. Meaning behind your YouTube name. So, my YouTube name is JoyOfMia. Ang pangalan ko is Mia L'Real Joy. So, sabi ko, dapat, kasi dati, L'Real Joy 12 yung ko, and then I changed. So, sabi ko, parang, paano ko may incorporate yung Joy sa Mia? So, parang sabi ko, JoyOfMia, parang ang nagpapaligaya kay Mia. So, yeah, that's it. Corny. Last book you read, Paper Towns. The book you're currently reading, no, I'm not reading books anymore. Wala na akong time. Last show you watched, Crime Investigation Channel. Parang basta yung mga show doon, hindi ko na maalala. Last person you talked to, si Mac. The relationship between you and the person you last texted. Co-worker ko. Nurse din siya. Favorite food, adobo, hindi pa rin nagbabago. At saka bibimbap. Yan. Place you wanna visit. I wanna visit, Europe talaga. Gusto ko sa Venice. Pero ngayon kung locally, basta somewhere na may dagat. Parang Camarines Sur ata yun, yung Camsur ata. Do you have a crush? No, I don't have a crush. Last time you kissed someone, a while ago. Last time you were insulted, I don't remember anymore. Kasi when somebody insult me, hindi ko na tinitake those things as insults. Ayun, kung minsan nga yung nang-insult to, sila pa yung naasar. So, don't you dare insult me, girl, because baka ikaw lang din ang ma-insulto. Favorite flavor of sweet? Basta vanilla. Ganon. Vanilla na may caramel. Milk tea. What instruments do you play? So, I have my guitar here. I want to show you. Yes, this is my guitar. And I also play ukulele and a little bit of the piano or sa keyboard. Yun. Pero hindi ako masyadong magaling yun. So, favorite piece of jewelry? No, I don't wear any jewelry. Last sport you played? Softball. Last song you sang? I just sang When God Made You, right? When God Made You. Favorite ko talaga yun. Favorite chat up line? Wala na eh, hindi ko na naano itong mga chat up line. Have you ever used it? No. Last time you hang out with anyone? Kanina, pala together with the nurses. Yun. Kasi birthday ni Abby. Abby Bebs, happy birthday! Who should answer this question next? Pang 50 na pala ang bilis. Who should answer this question next? I encourage everyone to do this. Ang saya kaya kasi nalalaman ng ibang tao kung sino ka, lalo na yung mga subscribers mo na laging nanonood sa'yo. Chinky Tita, hi sis, and Sis Charmy Lagaso, hindi pa niya ginagawa. Sino pa ba? Chai, do this. I will just put your names down below, but if I haven't, put your names, kung hindi ko malalagay yung pangalan niyo sa baba, feel free to join this girl kasi masaya to para makilala namin kayo. So yeah, that's it. This is my TMI tag and I hope you enjoyed watching me answering those questions. Gusto ko lang yung chill na video sa ngayon. And if you have Instagram and Facebook, you should follow me there and like my Facebook fan page, JoyOfMia, because I always do updates. And sa susunod na mga buwan, madaming giveaways guys. So na-excite I guess. So, I encourage you to follow me on my social medias and don't forget to subscribe down below and comment down below. So, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah!